Hey everybody, John here, Midnight Paint and Body YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to see if we can fix this really nasty dent in this rocker panel. But we're also going to review and give away an Oclip Ultra 3-in-1 flashlight. So, our repair today is going to be, there, now you can see it, this nasty caved in rocker panel. So, pretty sure we're going to have to weld a couple tabs onto that and give it a good pull, because that's pretty nasty. And then the other thing is the Oclip Ultra flashlight. So let's go open one up and I'll show you what we've got and what we're giving away. Okay, so you might remember a little while ago, if you watch my channel, Olight reached out and asked if I wanted to try out one of their 3-in-1 UV flashlight laser pointer deals. It's a nice aluminum solid flashlight. I will tell you honestly that I found this super handy. As you can see, it's well used. I keep it in my pocket in the shop now, because I'm always, under cars, under dashes, taking doors apart, whatever. It's really handy. So they reached out again and asked if I wanted to try the Oclip Ultra. So I said, sure, let's give her a shot. So here's what we've got. So the Oclip Ultra, it's this cool little aluminum bodied flashlight. You can just clip it onto your pocket, onto your shirt, onto your hat, whatever. I did notice on their website they do have like a headband, so you can wear it like a headlamp. So this one has the UV light, has the spotlight with 3 settings, and then it's also got like a floodlight. And it is crazy bright. So far I like it. It's also in the box, which is really nice packaging, by the way. So, our instruction manual and a charge cord. So, super handy. It's even got this little aluminum door, or it feels to be aluminum anyway, for the little charge port. So, really cool, really handy. So when they asked if I wanted to try it, I said, well, how about you give me an extra one to give away to one of my viewers? And they were all for it. They thought that was a good idea. So here it is. Brand new one, unopened. So I'm going to give that away to one of you guys. And to sweeten the deal, so Oclip has supplied this, I'm going to throw in one of the coveted Midnight Paint and Body t-shirts. Unfortunately, guys, I only have extra large. I only order these in really small quantities. I usually just give them away with jobs. But I'm going to throw one of these in with it. So keep watching. I'll tell you how to enter. Just a really easy step. It's going to be a quick video, and we'll get back to this thing. All right, now back to our dent. So right off, I've got this lamp that I use a lot, which is really handy. You can see, here's the lamp. Doesn't light it up very much. Here's my little Oclip Ultra. Look at how much brighter that thing is. And then for, of course, working under vehicles, I'm going to have to take these running boards off. I mean, this is fantastic. And this kind of floodlight, it really lights things up. And something else that's really cool, see, I'm working under there, it's magnetic. So if I'm working under a car, I can use a magnet, or I can use a clip. So these are really good. There will be a link in the description if you're interested in buying one. And you can also use the discount code MPB10 to get 10% off. So that makes them a really good deal. So let's get to our dent. So this thing is hammered. If you watch the channel, you might be like, hey, didn't you just work on that truck? Okay, I'll show you that real quick. Let's go around this side. Yes, I did a video where I fixed this bedside, and it was hammered. I sent the customer a picture yesterday, said, I got your bedside done. He said, oh, how'd you make out on the rocker? And I said, whoops. I forgot to fix it. He thinks he might have forgot to tell me. I think he might have told me and I forgot. There's no blame. We're all getting older. We forget things. So, now the tough thing with these, because these Dodges tend to rust, I'm hoping we still have good solid metal back here. So we'll just have to see. I'm also thinking, before I take that running board off, I might see if we can weld a tab to that and then use that running board to our advantage to give us kind of a point to pry off of. Yeah. Might work, might not. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and we'll see what we're working with. All right, let's see. Oh, and my tab is just tearing right through the sheet metal. Son of a... All right, well, we've just torn a big hole in it. Try welding that a little more. Well, it's starting to move. Nope, we have just ripped her open. Balls. Okay, plan B. Alright, well, I've been working away at this here, guys, so it's not perfect, but I think we're close enough for filler. It's just an old bush truck. So I'm going to start with just a coat of some Everglass, just some fiberglass reinforced filler, just to kind of fill in the... We've got a bit of low that needs to be filled. It's not terrible, it's not the best, but like I said, it's an old bush truck, so it's going to be good for what we're doing. I am just going to point out here too, all I've been using for light down here is this little Oclip Ultra. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to go mix up a little filler. I'm not going to hide it from you. I'll show you what we're doing when I come back. Alright. So this part is going to be a little bit of hackery, but one of those things where if I couldn't warranty the repair, I wouldn't do it. I'm pretty confident that this is going to be just fine. So I'll let this stuff cure up, guys, and I'll start shaping her up a little bit. Oh, it's messy down there. So there's our fiberglass filler just kind of roughed out. So that's pretty much ready for a coat of regular body filler. I think that's going to happen Monday because it is pretty much the end of the day Friday. Friday night is cruise night with the car clubs. So I'm going to go out and play cars with my friends. We'll see you guys back here Monday. Well, guys, it's actually Monday here, and kind of forgot you were here, to be honest. I've actually just been kind of busting my ass all day because, well, it's Monday. I have a couple of jobs that need to go out by tomorrow because I'm off on Wednesday and then gone until Monday for the BC Drag It Challenge. So I kind of forgot to turn the camera on. So obviously I finished up a little bit of body work on the rocker panel. Wasn't much to show you anyway. I had a couple coats of primer on it. And I've had a heat lamp on it for the last 2 or 3 hours while I was doing something else. So I've already ran a block over it, so it just needs to be kind of finished sanded. And we'll get it ready to paint. Alright, so this is just kind of a spot-in kind of job, not a big deal. Keeping everything small. Give that 10 minutes and give her another coat of base coat. Alright guys, so here is our little rocker panel repair all finished up. I have the lights off, obviously, just to remind you of the Oclip Ultra giveaway. So this thing really is pretty impressive, how much light it puts out. So, let me just put the lights back on and I will go over the details of how you can win one. So, I had to make notes for myself. Today is June 16th. Not today when you're watching this. I'm going away on Wednesday for a week. So my goal is to actually post this video for Friday, June 27th. So if you're watching this, it should be June 27th or after. This contest is going to go until July 25th. All you have to do to win the Oclip Ultra flashlight, nice brand new one, still in the box, and the Midnight Paint and Body t-shirt. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, click subscribe. You do that right now, it's easy. Click, it's free. And leave a comment on the video, on YouTube, on the video. Comment Oclip Ultra. Or if you want to leave some different comment about something else, do that. But put in there also Oclip Ultra. That will put you in the draw for this really awesome little Oclip Ultra 3-in-1 flashlight. Whoever I draw on that day, on the 27th of July, 25th of July, sorry, 25th, not 27th, I'll contact you through the YouTube comments, get your address, and I'm going to send this to you. So, as always guys, thank you for checking out my videos. I hope one of you gets their cool little package, and I hope to see you back for the next video.